Well, but we'll quickly get into our first corporate conversation of the morning before we continue with Siddharth Khemka. And our focus is on J&K Bank. Amitav Chatterjee, MD and CEO of the bank, is with us now. And we have lots to discuss, including the bank's fundraising plans. So three key points, just to put it in perspective for our viewers. We want to understand the fundraise, whether this is just an enabling resolution, what are they thinking in terms of the equity part of it. And then, of course, we want to understand the credit growth trends as well. What is the bank's expectation for the second half? And then look at, the outlook on the other metrics like ROA as well. Thank you so much, sir, for joining in. So first things first, you're looking to raise up to 1,250 crore rupees, and I believe 750 crores would be via the equity route. Just run us through the thought process. Is it to boost your capital? Do you have concrete equity plans and a timeline in mind?
Very good morning. Thank you for having me here. Yes, definitely. We had, for the bank, we expect the CRAR overall to be around somewhere around 18.5% going forward. Without factoring in the internal accruals, we now believe that this will take us to somewhere around 18%. The very reason why we are trying to raise this capital, fund, is that we have very strong pipeline and a sense of credit growth going forward in the next quarter and a half. So I believe we should be adequately capitalized so that we can go ahead with our growth strategy.
All right. Hi, Mr. Chatterjee. Good morning. Good to see you in. Just a quick question, sir. There's so much of interest in Indian banking system. Are you in touch with any large fund, any big PE? Because the appetite for smaller banks in particular has been very, very large. And we have already seen a few deals that have taken place, both in the banking as well as in the financial system. So is J&K Bank in talks with any particular investor or a clutch of investors?
No, at the moment, I cannot say that I am in touch with anybody specific. But to be very honest, I have had very good interest shown by many people. So what you said, the interest in Indian banking and especially small size or mid-size banks, it's pretty much there. So I believe that the conditions are conducive enough for any capital raising for a bank like us. It's only a matter of time when we feel that we are adequately valued to go to the market that we will start the process. We have already taken the approval from the board. So we will be going ahead with the process only when we feel exactly the correct time has come.
Give us some clarity, sir. Where is it coming from? From the Middle East? Is it from overseas funds that are showing interest? Are they willing to write those big checks? Is the money, coming in from overseas domestic funds? Give us a sense on that, sir, because you're saying there's a fair bit of interest, even in J&K Bank.
Yes. Overseas interest is there. I would not deny. But at the moment, since I do not have anything specific to mention, so I would prefer not to go into any kind of details. But the interest is there.
I think the alarm is going off as well. The clock is ticking, sir. We could hear something soon.
Sorry for that.
But sir, you said you'll go to the market when you're ready. Give us some sense, some timelines. Is it going to be the current fiscal year? Could it take longer?
So it could be the final quarter of this financial year, or maybe the next quarter. If you look at our value of the price of the shares, the PV ratio is quite low. It's one of the most undervalued shares at the moment in the banking sector, all the listed entities. And if you look at the financials, I believe that they are pretty strong. And going forward, in fact, every aspect I see, it's only improving every day. So there is every possibility, and I believe that when we feel that I can actually give a good value to the prospective and the existing investors, it will be the time when we go to the market. The initial thought is maybe to go in the fourth quarter of this financial year, but I am not at the moment absolutely sure that we will do that, to be very honest.
Well, fair enough. You'll do it when you feel you're fully ready and when you will get maximum bang for the buck, as they say, the maximum value creation. Could be fourth quarter, could be first quarter of next year. But let's talk about that value creation, right? And the market values growth more than anything else. So let's talk about that. Your credit growth guidance for the current year is about, I think, 12%. Just tell us what you're seeing around you in the second half, which segments, and I mean, do you think it will be 12%? Is there an outer chance that it will be better than 12%? And what will drive it?
See, I told you last time, the expectation that I had for the end of third quarter, we got it in the second quarter itself. The growth in the sectors within Jammu and Kashmir, especially the agriculture, we had a fantastic growth in agriculture during the first two quarters. The retail growth has been steady. And as far as the corporate loan book is concerned, we have a very strong pipeline at the moment. So the guidance was 12% for the year. We had reached around 9% by the end of second quarter. The reason I said that what I expected in the second quarter, third quarter came in the second quarter is that we had undergone certain process changes where we introduced the end-to-end digital loan journeys for even the corporate loan book. So all these things are in place now. So fortunately, the growth started happening right in the second quarter itself. I had kept some buffer for the processes to be streamlined. So now, since the processes are streamlined and the loan book is, I mean, the prospective loan book is very strong, I believe that we can actually exceed the guidance that we had given in the loan book.
All right. So loan growth of more than 12% is possible. NIMS guidance at around 3.7 to 3.8%. That's something that you're heading for, right?
You would have seen the NIMS went slightly down during the second
But for the year, that's the guidance you're putting out, right?
Yes.
All right. And final question, sir, with regard to your return ratios, the ROE, I think the guidance was reduced a little bit, 15 to 16% from what you started the year at. Confident that you'll achieve this, and I think ROE of around 1.25%. Both those two return ratios in check?
Definitely.
Always a pleasure, sir.
Thank you.
Always a pleasure, sir, talking to you. You're sounding confident. We're going to be waiting to hear from you with regard to that fundraise, if at all. Wishing you a good day ahead, and we'll chat up soon.
Thank you very much.